Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the stickers and kits and sticker sheets that I'm going to be using in my two main planners in the month of November. I'm really excited about the variety that I have to show you, so let's get into it. I'm going to start with, like I did last time, with the stickers for my plum paper vertical priorities. I'm using the A5 now, so size is a little bit less of an issue, like space filling and stuff. Okay, so I have 4 ideas here. So this is what I have for these two. I'm just kind of leaving as like a maybe, but I'm for sure using these 4 things here. So for 1 week, I'm going to be using these flags from Cloth and Paper. They're just a kind of a mauve color and an olive color to go with this According to Allie washi, which is so pretty. I really love it. It's going to be kind of a neutral spread and really like simple, back to basics kind of thing. For another shred, I'm going to be using this washi from See Amy Draw, and it's Friends themed, and I also have this sheet from her, which is really fun. I like the little coffee cup checklists, super cute. And then I've also got these sheets from the Crafty Banana that have pie. So I'm going to make it like a Friendsgiving kind of spread. I also have in my reusable sticker book on the Crafty Banana page, I've still got some of my leftover Friends deco that I'm going to use in that spread as well. And then these 2 sheets from According to Allie, Thankful and the khaki ink or alcohol ink, I'm going to be using for some week in there. I don't know which week exactly. I'll just kind of make it up as I go. But I think these will go really beautifully together. And I love this. Oh, I love all of these stickers. It's so pretty. And I'm going to pair this Simply Gilded washi in the orange with gold bows. And then for another week, this is going to be for Thanksgiving week actually. I'm going to use this mini kit from the Crafty Banana. I've never used a kit in my vertical priorities, so it's going to be an adventure. But I just kind of wanted to make it a little special, and because I'll be traveling for half of the week, I'm really not worried about not having enough space, and I kind of want to fill the space. So here are the full boxes, and this is cut into different boxes, so I can use them separately if I want to. I can definitely cut down this bottom washi or like use it in a different way, and some of the little things might come in handy. I've got these boxes here and a label, checklist, and then some pie deco, which is so cute. And then I've got the freebie here, which is adorable, and then my current freebie with the fall favorites on there as well, which I'm going to have a new freebie coming out soon with like the holiday, some kind of holiday theme. I haven't decided what I want to do with it, but that is coming soon. So that's what I'm planning for my vertical priorities. I do have these 2 sheets as well that I could incorporate. I kind of want to use this one here and maybe this one. And then I've got the sunflowers one. So I kind of want to use it with like maybe this with this. We're just going to play it by ear. But here's what I have going on for my vertical priorities plan. And I'm excited for like just the different kinds of spreads I'm going to get from those things. Just popping in really fast. So I showed you these, but I'm not going to be able to really use them for this month because I did not look ahead. The color for November is mustard yellow. So I'm going to replace these, which is beautiful, with this sheet and these 2 washi, which are green, Simply Gilded, and a plaid. So just wanted to let you know real quick that I changed my mind because I did not look and see what the color of the month was, but everything else I think is going to work just fine. Then let's go to my Sadie Stickers Undated Memory Planner. These are my 4 kits for this month. So I've got this one from the Crafty Banana. I've used this one every year that it's been out, so probably 3 years in a row. But I'm going to do kind of a different twist on it this year. I've got this really pretty overlay from Jessica Hart's. It's so beautiful. She did a kit that was photography themed, and I saw this bottom washi and I knew that I had to have it. It's just so pretty. I just love it so much. So much. I don't know how I'm going to be able to use all of these, but I'm going to try to figure out how to make it work in some way, because I love that so much. And I really love this box right here. I might be able to use it over the dragonfly. It's just so pretty. And this is going to be so pretty over the plaid bottom washi. We'll get there. We'll get there. Hold on. Okay. So this is the non-scene kit. So it's kit 2. And we've got the fall scene. We've got the 4 full boxes above that. There it is. Right there. The bottom washi is just going to be so pretty. I just love it. I love it so, so much. It's going to be so cool. All right. So, yeah. Here's that checklist, which I probably won't use. The deco is so amazing. It's Fox and Pip deco. Y'all know I love Fox and Pip, and I'm obsessed with this deco. Got some headers and little things, some icons and more boxes, some washi strips, weekend banner, and then the glitter sampler, which matches the kit. I think I will probably color block just because it's kind of fun to do it with these types of spreads from the Crafty Banana. I've also got the little freebie here, which has the personalized candles and the squared off boxes. And then this freebie also came with it. I might use this sticker here possibly. So this is going to be the first week of November. And then here's week 2, reading night from Jessica Hart's. I was going to use this like in January or February, but I just can't wait to use it. It's so pretty. So this is the mini kit, and it's just so me. It's like perfect. It's like all the things I love. Charcuterie boards, cats, books, pizza, cozy nights. It's just so pretty. That bottom washi is beautiful. And then I did add on the foil sheet. So we've got some bottom washi here, a little couple of overlays there, and some little icons. Just really pretty. I'm excited to use this too because it's just so cozy. Love it. All right, that's reading night. And then I've got this kit. I haven't used this one in a while, actually, from the Crafty Banana. I didn't use it last year, I don't think. So I'm going to be happy to come back to it again. So this is the Warm and Cozy collection. I did get it with the girl with the red hair because I just kind of gravitate toward those, especially during autumn. So beautiful. I love that deco. And the plaid in this one is so gorgeous. I love the pop of like the burnt orange. Oh, love this box. And that bottom washi is so pretty. Here is the glitter sampler I'm going to be using with this kit. So pretty. And then I did add on the squared off boxes, and here is the little freebie that comes with it as well. So this is the week before Thanksgiving. And then for Thanksgiving week, this is the kit I'm going to be using. And I need to grab my monthly in just a second to show you that. It's the same art as this. I just fell in love with this art, and yes, I'm going to be using it twice in 1 year, but that's okay. It's just so pretty. It's called Crisp from Scribble Prints Co., and this art is just so beautiful. I really love purples in the fall. There's just something about it that draws me in, and I just love this little porch scene and the little tiered tray and the little kitty. I don't think the cat is in the full boxes. Some kits did have the cat in it, but at least you get the little one. So cute. So her mini kits have the glitter headers built in. Got some boxes and labels. Here is the bottom washi. I may have plaid bottom washi, except for one kit for all of my spreads for this month. The extra box is pretty too. And then I did add on this came free, which is kind of cute, little themed icons. And then I added on this to make it Thanksgiving themed. So I love this box. I think I'm gonna have to use that. And then maybe like, I don't know. I really want to use a lot of these boxes, and they're so cute. So we'll see what I do with that. And then before I let you go, let me grab my monthly kit because I forgot to pull that. Okay, I found it. It was actually on the floor, and I don't know how it got there. I'm going to blame one of my cats. So this is from Caress Press. It's also called Crisp, and this is my November kit. It's so pretty. It's kind of got like a brighter tone than the SPC version, which I like that it's a little bit different and it's just kind of brightened up a little bit. It's really fun. So I think maybe I will skip these boxes on this kit since I will have it like that scene right there. And then there's the spread on the other side. I love the patterns that she chose. They're a little bit different from in this kit. So she used them. They were just kind of like just different. So I love the differences actually. And then we've got some holidays, the labels and boxes there. And then I added on this extra box or the sidebar sticker here with the redhead, of course. And then it came with this little sampler. So I love these boxes. This is so cute. I'm so excited to use this and it's going to be so pretty. Oh, I love it. So that is everything for this video. You have seen all of the kits and stickers and washi I'm going to be using in the month of November. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next time. Bye!